In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable POP in Gmail. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. When the Quick Settings panel appears, click See All Settings at the top of the sidebar. This will open the full Gmail settings page where you can configure advanced email options. At the top of the settings page, click the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. This section contains the settings that allow Gmail to connect with other email applications. Scroll down until you locate the POP download section. This area controls whether Gmail messages can be downloaded using the POP protocol. In the POP download section, select the radio button for either Enable POP for all mail or Enable POP for mail that arrives from now on, depending on your preference. Next, find the drop-down menu labeled When Messages Are Accessed with POP. Click the drop-down and choose how Gmail should handle the original copy of your emails. You can choose one of the following options. Keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, mark Gmail's copy as read, archive Gmail's copy, or delete Gmail's copy. Below this section, you may also see Configure your email client. This area provides connection details for external email clients such as Outlook, Eudora, or Netscape Mail in case you need help setting up your email program. Once you finish adjusting the settings, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will apply the new configuration and POP access will now be enabled for your account. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.